Let's go.
Right now, DJ hashtag
Okay. Hashtag. Tugira tulabisa. Yes, sir. Thanks for coming through, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I'm the one who waited our one lazy. Hashtag tulabisem. Tuna an official DJ tonight. DJ hashtag. Ye DJ on Mumpi, ye kapendo nge pamvu. Sigena mujaya. Ready? Salamade sinamada. Walika. Asaga gay no moyo. Tukaenda tusize. Izani. Yeah, Bimabise. Walika. Aputele chitala mukaro. Ulimuga. Neba. Liga pena. Aha. Yasirika. Sorry. Because banange ndi musanyofu nnyo. Mwebalisho. Asagala nde song let's go. Sure. Nakalika molo lugendo lwa labu. Mutima gwange guyanira labu. Aya. Kalizene malamu, musajja watu nene malamu, wate bintu by'omutima gwa
wange wone mfuze ose tulenti kunaletugo wewanise waguleyo madara kabya nanananana kati ngaguleka aletugo ayagala atwale wali wafuuka kizibu era nange sikudira everybody say I'm sorry nana baby I'm sorry and happy is enough I'm sorry baby I'm sorry shada onosonywa sinza kukundira tuzi wanima wachanga baby waswaza neno nina ayaya wano chikoli mechono chimanyena zuku kanga nipite ya maje choli kendo lisa wante kama uchokoli sikuli wante ni mokoti sanze wanene damu maso shop I'm sorry baby I'm sorry I'm sorry baby I'm sorry also you are since I'm so good here baby I'm sorry also you are so baby I'm sorry also you are choose one neighbor wansanga baby wanswaza azinje nonina wano chikolimbe chono chimanya mulina ba MC sanze wanenenda mu maso ayaya I'm sorry baby I'm sorry sha and a piece enough sha I'm sorry na baby I'm sorry onosonywa sinza kukundira tulimote akaruka. Thank you so much guys ndabe abagaga bonna mu bitibwa kati mpulira manyi gali bwegati aboluganda nabe mikwano bebange waliwo yasindika message mu abantu tebagenda kukola ki kujja abaninyoko Lavukazanyo, nayate sisiza gweno changanyo. Lavukazanyo, nayate sisiza gweno limanyo. And I don't to me, I want so you wanna be with me. Cause you know you got a time for me. You don't remember me. I take the car, and leave your face okay. Ya tomu ndo wageze ayaya na oli kufele wala bufe na bu pretenda baby na kumu oli kufele wala busha ojagala kumbe pretendinga abasimu topiki nga bwenkolinga nalimanya ojagala nyogombo kiyitinga olina yabalabwotetinga sasewo lero tukite eryange nawe gatebusa histole sasule woto finally woto sasule no kati nze sida maleka akamera kumbe njakulaluka kenda na balabala bakusanyisa me. Kuba wansubiza, you gonna be with me. Kati ndaba you gonna time for me. You don't remember me. Kati teka, ebibyo tebisoboke. Sha! Semuoze panise, lato Mungu no wageze. Bariwa! Olengera kumbe chakulaluka. Kenda nabala mkawa kusanyusa. Ebenze! Akulera bebe yokupatisa. Kuchite! Don't even ever kolo. Wene wange wafuse misikolo. Onda vista no pita na ruchoro. Kumbe yenze ya kujaluka. All I see is paradise. Hey, when you need a new novel, Susa. All I got. Ayayay, usije kukumanga mkuza. Ushana na tumanyiza kuwa pesa. Sila matile chivera chuka kupale wange bebo kukopisho. Hey, chineno chewaita mapenzi. Hey, ushana na tomanyiza bobafeza. Sina matile chivera choka kutole wange pepo kukofisho. Walava gogo crazy. Usabura nyoto manyi masanyalaze. Wema ubide na crazy na ulizi. Adigebe! Barwa! Good break! Baby, what you call her? Hey, Jebaya Saga. Thank you so much, Saga. Put it down. Bible Pambuke. Natli Murunji. Thank you so much. I will enjoy, guys. We're enjoying it. Eddie Kenzo is there in the parking. Suna Ben are parking. Papa Gus are parking. Papa Bari parking. Dona Bari parking. Ronigina Sari wano. Ate mwagalani. Today we have a meeting in a base. Baby, hurry up. Let's go be late. Take it some much to come to the way. We are on your bed. Today we will be late. I want to go to Sanda. Namana Muganda. in the Balenciaga. Oh yeah, just a night for two. Our baby the fountain of love. Pepe, come on you, let's turn off the lighting. Oh yeah, tamu patempora, kuingira pora, kusasere poraze. Kupa tempora, kuingira pora, umese pora. Love session, love in a bedroom, love session, love in a rosemary, love session in let's have a meeting in our bed, baby hurry up, never to be late. Don't worry, so one little, let's have a meeting in our bed, baby hurry up, never to be late. Put it down, Rachel. Put it down, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, right about now, I want to take this opportunity to recognize some big brands in the building. So guli, guli de omugaga nanyini sente. Anko Tony tebachayika. Waliwabera waliwo muzayi wange mulamba. Webale kunzala muganda wange webale kujja tata wange, webale kubeera nga wenkonkona nonzigulira. I want to tell you guys ntamanyi gonna genina, especially musaidi ya music. Achakola ki? Achabikola. I love you so much. Nze kasita nkongona nozigula lesanyu yange. I want to recognize my mama. Thank you, mommy. Thank you so much. Nange sawa naja kuvuga nzile fort. Siwa guli. Okajado la msakuno neba sa mukuru. Kasiko Mutasa Foundation. Mukuru mwarisi Sengulu Mulamba. Thank you so much papa kunzikiririzamu. Wakulida kasimu nongambe kuba tojitya. Awone ngamba biwete. Webale okuzayo ekireekyo tobadde kintiisaamuuko. Ate webale nakuteekamu mafuta. Amaanyi gonna golaba wano. Obuteetere nandikulese naye obuzibu bwa fiiringi bagaga nandibalese naye mukwano pulira ya fiiringi nandikulese naye obuzibu bwa fiiringi nandikulese naye mukwano pulira ya fiiringi. I'm coming for a second session, guys.
Thank you so much. What is in your skill? A round of applause! Hashtag, let's run the rhythm. Let's run the rhythm. This
Kuliyo, omuganga kaziko. Kuliyo, wano. Nawe katoza jisamilioni. Selimwano mpiyebu. Silo pilingi nezisabika waki. Nabikadira kuno kinane. Baby, nani kulese muganga kaziko. Waliwa, nani kulese na ye. Everyone, Kabai beruase, nani kulese. Everybody say,